Individuals are trying to combat disease through preventative care and lifestyle changes. Our students in the Health Fitness Specialist program are going to be equipped with the skills to help those individuals make those lifestyle changes, where sometimes they need someone there to guide them through the process of making healthy lifestyle changes. And our students are equipped to be able to do that.
There's a lot more that goes into it than just moving weights, right? I mean, yeah, like when I was a senior in high school, right, I could have trained someone and been like, all right, do this. This is what I do, right? But like, all right, what if they have osteoporosis, right? What if they have X, Y, and Z disease? How am I going to train them differently? If something does happen, how am I going to be able to back myself up and be like, look, this is the evidence and the science behind why I did what I did?
I think the biggest misconception at this point in time is that anyone who enters this field is a gym rat. It's more about navigating health and really meeting people where they're at. So there isn't a set personality type that should go into this field. We need all types. And then really just spending some time in the field and learning where your niche is. Where do you want to be in this, and not being boxed into, well, I had to play sports growing up to understand this. No.
Students will learn anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, biomechanics. They learn exercise techniques, how to appropriately perform different strength training exercises. They learn how to lead group exercise. They learn how to personal train a client one-on-one. They learn about the behavioral change process and how to walk a client through the steps of behavior change. In addition to that, they learn great communication skills, how to build rapport with their clients, and how to set clients up on a proper exercise program.
I cannot even explain how amazing it is having the professors available to talk to. I have not had one professor that has not taken the time to answer my questions, help me with anything that I'm struggling with. It's explained in a very personable way, and we are allowed to talk about our experiences, and you can apply it. So what I'm learning in my classes, I can apply right away to myself.
Yeah, I think it's really big, especially for people that learn hands-on, because a lot of people can just, read a textbook and it clicks, right? I'm the same way. I need to see it, or I need to do it, or just to get this degree, it requires you to actually be in the field a lot, which I think is big, because a lot of times people go to college and they leave and they're like, all right, I have this degree, but what am I going to do with it in the actual field, right? And I feel like I'm ready.
If you have an interest in improving your personal health and you enjoy improving the health of other people, this is probably a great fit for you. And take a class, give it a try. See if this meshes with who you are. Does this resonate?